PVC garden pipes are commonly used for irrigation and water supply. But have you ever wondered how these pipes are made? Let's take a look. The process starts with polyvinyl chloride resin, colouring and other chemicals. First of all, the compounded material is fed into the mixer. After that, resin is added to the mixture and it is heated. Now, the mixed materials are cooled manually. Then, inside the extruder, the mixture is heated to a molten state and forced through a circular die to form a pipe shape. As the PVC garden pipe exits the extruder, it is passed through a cooling tank to solidify the material. And here, the sizing tools are used to shape the pipe into the desired diameter and thickness. Once the PVC garden pipe has cooled and solidified, it is bent into a round shape. Next, the PVC garden pipe is cut into specific lengths, twisted around and tied with string. Then, the finished PVC garden pipes are packed in bundles for transportation and distribution. Now, the twisted PVC garden pipe is shrink wrapped for packing. Finally, the PVC garden pipes are ready. On another side of the factory, the mixture is prepared to make the suction hose pipe. Then, the material is removed from the mixer for cooling. Another mixed material is also strained here. Then, inside the suction hose pipe making machine, the mixture is heated to a molten state and forced through a circular die to form a pipe shape. As the PVC suction hose pipe exits the extruder, it is passed through a cooling tank to solidify the material. Again, the hose pipe is bent into a round shape manually. It is twisted around and tied with string. In the end, the hose pipe is twisted round and tied with string. Now the twisted suction hose pipe is shrink wrapped for packing. Finally, those hose pipes are ready to supply water into the garden or anywhere.